Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Kung gusto mo itong gamitin ng equation, you can write x is equal to a third of a third of a third of 729. Pwede mo siyang isolve by multiplying all of yung mga nasa itaas at yung lahat ng mga nasa ibaba. The numerators and the denominators. So you will be left with 729 over 3 times 3, which is 9, times another 3, which is going to give you 27. Now, of course, you can solve that or you can go one step at a time. Dito muna tayo sa 729 divided by 3, which will give you 2, 4, 3. Tapos, i-divide din natin siya uli ng isa pang 3, which will give us 81. And then, divided by another 3, which will give us 27. So, the answer would be 27. Now, pwede natin i-check by dividing this. 729 divided by 27. Dalawa ang kasya. This will give you 54. Pag binawas natin siya, magkakaroon tayo ng 18. 189 divided by 27. Multiply ko siya sa 7. Kung i-multiply ko siya sa 7, kasi na-solve na natin kanina, di ba? This is going to give us 49, 14, 189. Sakto, 27. So again, pareho naman yung sagot. So whether dumaan ka dito o inisa-isa mo like this, you should get the same answer. Now, we have a full video lesson sa topic na ito sa YouTube. May quiz na rin doon. If hindi nyo pa napapanood, go ahead and watch that. But for now, anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow me for more.